Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a debit card to your AliExpress account right from your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you can explore through the products. And once you find the products you like, tap on it. You can check the descriptions of this product. And here you can see the Buy Now button at the bottom. Tap on it. Again, select Buy Now. Now in this confirmation page, here you can see the payment method section. In that section, you can see your Add New Card option. Select that. And now you will be prompted to enter your card details. This includes your card number, cardholder's name, expiry date, and the CVV code. You can fill up the information. And once you're done, you can tap on Save and Confirm. And now your debit card is successfully added to your AliExpress account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.